To solve more difficult equations, you're going to be using the rational roots theorem and synthetic division. So when you have your equations such as x to the third minus 9x plus 9 plus 2x to the fourth minus 19x squared, you're first going to start by putting it into descending order. You will get p of x equals 2x to the fourth plus x to the third minus 19x squared minus 9x plus 9. You'll then use your p over q, and your factors of p are positive, negative, 1, 3, and 9. And your factors of q are positive, negative, 1, and 2. So your potential zeros are positive, negative, 1, 1/2, 3, 3/2, 9, and 9/2. To determine which zeros you should test first, graph it on Grapher, and the possible zeros from Grapher are negative 3, negative 1, 1/2, and 3. So then you would use synthetic division to find out if these zeros are real. So in your box you would have negative 3 as your first number. And your numbers across the top are 2, 1, negative 19, negative 9, and 9. So bring down your 2 first. 2 times negative 3 is negative 6. 1 minus 6 is negative 5. Negative 5 times negative 3 is 15. Negative 19 plus 15 is negative 4. Negative 4 times negative 3 is 12. Negative 9 plus 12 is 3. And 3 times negative 3 is negative 9. And 9 minus 9 is 0. So you know that negative 3 is one of your zeros. Then you can continue on from this and start with negative 1 in your box. So you would bring down your 2 again. 2 times negative 1 is negative 2. Negative 5 plus negative 2 is negative 7. Negative 7 times negative 1 is 7. Negative 4 plus 7 is 3. 3 times negative 1 is negative 3. And then 3 minus 3 is 0. So you know negative 1 is also one of your zeros. Then test 3. So 3 will go in your box. Bring down the 2. 2 times 3 is 6. Negative 7 plus 6 is negative 1. Negative 1 times 3 is negative 3. And 3 minus 3 is 0. And then test your last answer, so 1/2. So bring down your 2, and 2 times 1/2 is 1, and negative 1 plus 1 is 0. So you know all 4 of those are correct.